Good afternoon. Can we turn this down, please? It's too loud. I can hear it all the way in my room. Again, Daddy already got a shower. Daddy's going to what today?
Wrestling.
Wrestling. Good job. You remembered. I love you, buddy. Behave for mommy, okay? I might be back tonight. If not, I'll be back tomorrow, okay? You love me? I love you, buddy. Behave, please. See you. Goodbye, Brody. Daddy's got wrestling. Be good for mommy. Don't stay up all night. All right, we're all packed. Our protein and some supplements, the important ones. Just like our kids. We're all packed up. It's a sunny day, man. My eye hurts, man. I like cleaned it out. Like my head's not hurting now, but I cleaned it out and I accidentally put, I know you guys are gonna hate that, I put peroxide in there again. But it was, my head was starting to hurt me again. I gave her a doctor, it's a temporary solution, but I did it in the corner and I went to go squirt the thing and I was like, God damn it, now my eyes all red. But as long as my head ain't hurting, it's fine and I can see, I'm good. But let's go enjoy some wrestling. You kids better be good for mom. Better not come back to some BS tomorrow, man, please. I told her, I was like, do the triple check. She's like, I usually do. She goes around and checks every door like I do. Like, just when I'm not around, she's like, does that. I'm like, good, you need to, please. Every lock, everything, nook and cranny, you know what I mean? All right, we're here. Party here today, man. There's still more people coming. We already set the cameras up. And then we just got to go down there and get everything going here. I'm about to pour myself a drink here to earn. Ooh, that eye though. Oh, it feels a lot better, but man. Don't put peroxide in your eyes. Temporary solution. Cotton swab the edge, man. Don't do the tear drops. But I feel good, so that's the important part, man. My head was killing me, no joke, dude. It's... Damn it, Brody. Bathtub poop water, bro. Killing me. What's it? We're gonna start in 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
All right, let's go. Let's go start this damn show.
To all the motherfuckers that want to sit here and talk shit on the basement, you can all suck my fucking 9-inch dick. All 9 inches of it. Fuck you. Look at the turnout.
This is my kid's vlog. Damn it.
Sorry, TJ's kid's mother. You are doing a terrible job.
All right, we're about to go down here. Let's do this. All right, it's time to take down the cameras. The show is over. It was a banger. A banger of a show, guys. Banger. Getting all the dope chairs that were created for the show. Keeping all the chairs. There's a good show. Everybody's chilling. Most people will leave. It's tight in here. Daniel's hanging out though. We got the wrestling. We're trying to import it all here, kids. Documentary purposes here. All right, we're reviewing the video footage here. People are coming back and forth. It's a thing here. Tiny watching his performance here. I love this in between matches here. Tarzan's out here. Tarzan wasn't even caught. He can't already hang out. Look there, he's having a battle with the balls. See, we're having fun, man. That's what it's all about, man. Get a little house party with some wrestling. It's good times, man. Love it. We got us some.
Did you hear anything?
Nah, what are you looking for?
My keys. They should be going on.
Oh, you need a signal for the keys. All right, after this move, though. Going down, I got one more camera to take down. It's still flowing down there. You gotta take it down. Oh, that was a one. Yeah, see the pole like it was fucking stuck in his neck. Jesus. Yeah, I didn't take that one down. I only had 4 hours in on it. Stopped recording hours ago, but like, let's take it down. Yeah.
Because I can't believe that I get denied entry to the top of the fucking mountain. You all can sit up there and eat good. I know I'm that bitch.
That's an hour behind. Hour ahead. Eat a hoagie, TJ. Yeah, I can't wait to eat this. We got this a while ago. Let's eat. The neck and all that stuff. Yeah, here we go, baby. That's a drool. What the hell is this? I wanted to sleep in that bed. There's nobody there. I gotta sleep here. Damn it, Evan. Good night, everybody. I like extra. I want to sleep in a bed. When I like a happy Halloween theme here. Like, I'll do it. All right, we'll talk tomorrow.